Hey guys, well, before you know it, it's going to be Australia Day. Gwen, have you got your finger over the lens? Oh man, I got this student, Gwen. He's studying dentistry at uni, so I can't show you his face. But he said he'd do some videoing for me because I couldn't be bothered using a tripod. It's a hassle. Anyway, as I said, Australia Day is on our way. It'll be here before you know it. And if you've got a ute, a trailer, roof racks, caravan, you're going to need to tie stuff down. I sell roller cam tie down straps. And I also sell rope roller. Gwen, show them the clothesline down there. Go down there and show them the rope roller. Zoom in on the rope roller. And those extension straps came in handy again. Careful, Gwen. Oh, he's a clumsy guy. Yeah, now the straps are really good. I actually don't have one right here with me. But they're the easiest straps you'll ever use. If you don't find them the easiest straps, you'll get your money back. As simple as that. Right, Gwen, come back here. Oh. So we're going to cook up some steaks. Lamb, of course. Zoom in on here. We've got Cowra lamb from Richard's Butcher in Balgowlah. And a nice meat pie, 90% Australian. Don't know why the 10% couldn't be Australian. So we're going to have a bit of cook up, start a fire. When? Have you seen a fire started without matches or one of those ferro rods? Let me show you. Look at this, so easy. There we go, how good is that? Things get too hot, we've got the Cooka gloves, super insulated. All right, so we've got two fireplaces here. One's the Cooka brand, the other one's the Firebox. The Cooka's a little bit cheaper, but I tell you what, if you're cooking for some, if you're cooking for one, or if you're cooking for fun, Cooka's the one. The Firebox is way versatile. You can use gas, you can use wood, you can use pellets, you can use heat beads. Gas works really, really well. So super versatile. You can grill, you can boil, and soon there'll be a nice rectangle pot that you'll be able to bake and do all sorts of things in. But that's a going concern. All right, so what does it mean to be Australian? We've got the billy, we've got lamb, we've got meat pies, thongs. Are we recording? Apparently, chopping onions is really good for algorithms. For some reason, people love to watch people chopping onions. I don't get it. It's the most basic, simple thing. But, okay, I'm chopping onions. Oh, Gwen, zoom in on the chopper. Pretty handy. Store's really easy. Doesn't have a long handle. And because the blade has such a lot of real estate, it's really easy to pick up all your cuttings. Fry them up. And you don't have to have big things. This is the smallest barbecue in Australia. And I've got the smallest four-wheel drive in Australia. It's not about being big and having the most. It's just about getting out there. Oh, here I am gas bagging on, and I need to marinate my steaks. Now this is no secret. Best marinade in the world. Oh, here we go. If you've never done this, give it a go. It is sensational. Even on the fat, get it all over. Now, getting back to the stoves here, seems to be a trend. Well, no, I think the trend is finishing. Having these massive fires, chainsaws. Oh, this is going to be good. You can cook for one or cook for two, cook for some, cook for fun on the cooker. Here we go. Nice and hot. Billy's done. Yeah, that's just on the simmer. Take that off. I'll do the onions. When? Zoom in on the flipper or spatula. Oh. Now let's stop the smoke from going. If people see smoke, they'll freak out and the fire brigade will be back. Gwen asked me how much you're going to pay him. I said peanuts. I actually meant it. Check this out. Yeah, Gwen. Gwen, am I saying it right? Yeah. And should Gwen hurt himself, or even in fact, if someone happens to get a leech on their inner thigh, don't freak out, Gwen. Hang on. How'd that happen? No, he hasn't got you yet. All right, Gwen, I think we're nearly ready. Oh, that's too hot to touch. Oh, nice meat pie, look at that. We'll sauce that up for you. Another good thing about the Cooka spatula, it's got rounded corners and they're made in Australia. Gets into your pans nicely. And we've got 3 rivets and a hanger. Full biltong. Biltong? And it's magnetic, so it sticks to your magnetic holders if that's what you use in your kitchen. So for all you Polish wogs and Eastern Europeans that like to go mushroom picking, the season is going to come in a couple of months. Check out this knife. Paring knife with a brush on the end of it. So you can brush your mushrooms with all those pine needles. And great for Italian wogs that like to peel their fruit. See, look at that, beautiful. Hey? I'm not that skilled at it, but you know, oh, here we go, here we go. Look at that. Nice. Cooka cutter. Right. Went to a pie shop once. They didn't have tomato sauce. I left. That's not Australian. How can you sell pies and not have tomato sauce? That same pie shop, I was giving them a tip, like 10-cent tip, every month for about 5 years. They raised their prices and I owed them like 10 cents for a sauce or something, and they wouldn't bloody let me go. Couldn't believe it. They wouldn't give up 10 cents just because I didn't have it. I had to pay with a credit card. Frickin' hell. Nguyen, this is how you rate a meat pie. You've got to be able to eat it with one hand, that's a must. If you need your other hand, it's a fail. That's top priority. Yeah, that's the only rule for a good meat pie. Oh, tell me that's not the best. Hmm? So, what does it mean to be Australian? You can eat meat pies, eat lamb. I've been in Australia for 55 years, 54 years. Only became an Australian last year. I was actually made in Italy, born in England, taken to South Africa, raised in Australia. Both parents are Polish. Apparently my mum's got 15% Jew. And according to the Oxford Dictionary, I'm a racist. And I am. I do believe that there are cultures that are better than others at certain things. Just like Canon camera lenses are probably better than Nikon. Let's have an argument. Is Toyota better than Ford? Holden? Who's better? We all have a preference. I just don't know why we honestly can't all get along. It doesn't matter. If I want a fast runner, I'm going to go to Kenya. If I want someone that's really good at emails, I'll go to Nigeria. God, that lamb was fantastic. Anyway, it's going to be all on the radio again about the flag and should or we shouldn't have Australia Day, colonialism, and culture. You know what? I don't think Australians have culture. They get pissed. Like, that's not culture. Culture takes thousands of years, not 150. Oh, we got mateship. Man, you reckon the Ukrainians don't have mateship at the moment? Far out. Like, we've got so far to go. But I just want everyone to be nice, that's all. Be a man, be a girl, be a lady, be a gentleman, be Australian. So as you can see, we're finishing up. We had a nice barbie, some beautiful lambs, seriously good. And because we don't have a massive fire, 10 more minutes or 5 more minutes, those fires will be out. We can cool the boxes near the water, pack them up, and off we go. We don't have a big fire to pour water over or worry about it reigniting in the forest or bush. And these pack up in a flat pack, like they're about as big as my hand. So they're super portable. You can keep in your car all the time. You never know when you're going to need them, and you never know when you're going to use them. All you need is a handful of twigs and you can boil a billy, keep yourself warm, sterilise something. Yeah, everyone should have one. I'm in the need of some first aid, but just wanted to show you this neoprene pack. Also got a pouch here for your mobile phone, so super handy when you go to a trade show or you're just going to be walking around all day. But I tell you what, I'm in the need of some apple juice. So if you don't mind, and you can freeze that as well, so it keeps your normal water really cold. Wow, yeah. Didn't know apple juice could be that strong. So happy Australia Day, everybody. If you want to know more, there's a lot of more products to come. I've got a lot of ideas. Check out the YouTube, or go to our website, which is www.westonworks.au. No com. About some of this stuff I'm using. I'm sort of getting a bit more on the YouTube at the moment. I've got a few videos already. But the Firebox, mate, there's a ton of stuff. It's an American product. If you just search Firebox, there's so many videos on how to use it, how it packs. It's just incredibly versatile. I fell in love with it. As with anything else, yeah, just go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, join, do all that stuff that you do. Now, I'm not going to say I'll see you later, because I can't see you. I don't know why people say that all the time. It drives me nuts. I hope you see me in the next video. See ya. And remember, if it's Weston's, it works.